Hello everyone. Let's provide a solution to this problem. X minus 4 to the power of 4 equals 4 to the power of 2. Now what I will do is to bring 4 to the power of 2 to the left hand side. So we have x minus 4 to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 2 equals 0. And then this right here, x minus 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 2, then minus 4 to the power of 2 equals 0. Now if I am to open this bracket, I'll have this back, x minus 4 to the power of 2. And now what can I do? This is raised to the power of 2 and this is also raised to the power of 2, right? But then I want to expand what I have inside the bracket here, because if you have a minus b to the power of 2, this is the same thing as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So I'm going to express this in this form. Okay, so my a squared now will be x squared. So I'll write x squared minus 2, a is x and b is 4. Okay, then I'm going to get b squared, which will now be 4 squared. Then I will close this and then square everything. Then I have minus 4 squared and everything is equal to 0. We have x squared minus 8x plus 16. And there's a square on it, right? And I want to believe you know how I got this. X squared is out. 2 times x times 4 is 8x. Then 4 squared is 16. Then we have minus 4 squared and everything is equal to 0. To continue from here, we can apply difference of two squares, knowing that both of them are carrying squares. So our difference of two squares will be x squared minus 8x plus 16. I will have plus 4 in the first bracket because of this. Then in the second bracket, I have x squared minus 8x plus 16. Then I'll have minus 4 in the second. Then I will equate this to 0. Now from here, we have x squared minus 8x plus 20, because 16 plus 4 is 20. That's what we have in that bracket. Then in the second, we have x squared minus 8x minus 12. Okay, that's plus 12. 16 minus 4 is 12. Then we equate this to 0. So from here, we have two quadratic expressions. We're going to express both of them to be equal to 0. So here we have x squared minus 8x plus 20 equals 0. Once I am through with this, I'm coming back to pick this. So from here, what do we do? Very quickly, let's use the formula method for this. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So according to this equation, our a is 1 and our b is minus a. So we have negative 8 plus or minus negative 8 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 20. Then we divide this by 2 times 1, right? Then to continue, we have x equal to 8 plus or minus 64 minus 80. How did we get the 80? 4 times 1 times 20 will give 80. And then we divide this by 2 because 2 times 1 is 2. X is equal to 8 plus or minus 64 minus 80 will give us square root of negative 16. Then we divide that by 2. And then to continue from here, x will be equal to 8 plus or minus. Now square root of negative 16 will give us 4i. Okay, so we write 4 imaginary constants because of the negative. And we'll divide this by 2. We divide this by 2. So what am I going to do? This is to say that our x, okay, let me write this very well. This is to say that x is equal to, we have 8 plus 4i over 2, or 8 minus 4i over 2. Okay, sorry, I wrote out of sight. So this will become the first value of x, but we can still simplify this. Okay, so this means that x is equal to 2 can go here, the same 2 will go there. We have 4 plus 2i, or 2 will go here and the same 2 will go there. We have 4 minus 2i. So this, from here we have the first value of x. Now to get the other value, we'll go back to the equation that we got before and we'll pick the second and equate to 0. X squared minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. I know you must have forgotten where and how we got this, right? Okay, I would like to show you quickly. Okay, so here is the equation that I was talking about. X squared minus 8x plus 12, then we equate to 0. We have worked with this, so we're going to work with this very quickly. Okay, so from this quadratic equation, we can apply the factorization method for it, so that we think two numbers will multiply to get 12, and we add them to get minus 8. The two numbers will be minus 6 and minus 2. Because minus 6 plus minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 6 times 2 times minus 2 will give us plus 12. So this means that the factors shall be x minus 6. Then the second factor will be x minus 2 and then equates to 0. Now x minus 6 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. X is equal to 0 plus 6, or x is equal to 0 plus 2. So we are saying that x is equal to 6 or x equals 2. So this is what it is. Here again we have other solution for the equation. Okay, so from here we have the two real solutions, and then from here, the one we got before now, these are the complex solutions. Thank you for watching this to the end, and do well to subscribe to my channel.